Guys, I hope you are doing well. In today's video, just to get straight to the point, because this critical point regarding selling your digital products professionally and continuously. And of course, I know you because you clicked over this video to watch and know some tips and tricks, some piece of advice to get sales and so on. So I know you. It's a painful way to just create your own design and put some effort on it. Whether you are design, create, write this digital product and launch it hopefully to get sales based on a guru's piece of advice. Then you found yourself in the nowhere, literally. And honestly, back then, I've been through all these multiple errand trials and the same battleground you are in right now. I just jumped from video to another, article to another, and get some advices from this person to this one and so on. And of course, I just learned the hard way. Then I just found myself I can't actually take the step forward how I can get sales, get more sales professionally, or build my authority to this product to just make it passively get sales daily. So I knew the game, and just to shift from being a digital product creator to a digital asset founder, and avoid this saying more posting means more sales. So every single time you publish your own post, that makes your people one step closer to buying a process and purchase your products. That's why I just make my own framework that worked for me and get my sales consistently and on daily basis. So of course I just make my own content that target the right people, and I just make my loop templates that bring them back, and just create my pathways of promotion to lead them to buy my own products in every single niche you can think of. So I build my framework or my structured system that leads me to promote and get many sales of any single product I can think of, whether it's an AI SaaS tool, an ebook, a magazine, or a template, and so on. And of course, because it's worked for me, it would work for you exactly. And because I am like you, not just a person give you some fluff or bullshit motivation speech and so on. I just give you the real work, the real pathway that every single one, if he works on it, he would reach the same point I am right in, to get sales for every single product you can create in any niche you like. And honestly, I spent 2 months to create my own playbook, my own digital system, my own digital playbook that takes every single one from the start, how I can actually target my right people, how I get these problems people are searching for in different platforms to create my own digital product, and how promote and how to position yourself as an authority regarding this product and this sub niche, and how to promote it successfully and professionally in every single platform. Not only that, you build your trust, you build your own email list, all of that without any paid traffic, just for free. Yes, you heard it, that's right. You don't rely on the paid traffic or running some ads every single platform, YouTube or anything. Just you can build your own authority and your online business just from free ways. And for sure, I just dedicate this DigiPlaybook that contains my own private notes that takes me from the zero sales, zero hope, and to consistent sales for my own products in different niches. So if you find yourself just in nowhere and get confused by many of these videos you can watch on YouTube or articles you can read on medium.com or different blogs and sources, here just to offer you this DigiPlaybook that takes you from a structured skeleton, and you can take it as a ladder from zero experience, zero skills to promote your own digital products professionally and confidently. Of course, it's not like as a big PDF you can find everywhere that spits out some tips and tricks regarding the how to sell digital products, how to market your digital product, and of course they are not working in the real way. And it's not like a hallucination or a sophisticated speech from a ChatGPT if you ask it something regarding selling digital product and how to do that, because my own DigiPlaybook packed with awesome weapons that would take you as take me from zero sales to consistent sales in real paths with real applicable templates I will give you and real video tutorials that help you more to explain something in some steps and so on. Therefore, if you're just interested in selling your digital product and if you don't have any experience, if you are serious about creating your own online business and your journey to sell your digital products and make them online, not just random and sporadic sales, just consistent sales. So kindly check out this DigiPlaybook down below in the first comment and description box. And of course, it's not about just to purchase my own DigiPlaybook or something. So you can start from a specific spot that is applicable, realistic, and actually tried before from successful person, not actually just a fluff or a motivational speech or something. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.